Hey guys, it's Ivory. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest.
Start over.
Am I too cheery?
No, you're perfect. The first face I made, I'm like this.
Hey guys, it's Ivory. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my first guest, and it is Isa.
Hey.
Hey! I've mentioned Isa a couple times on my channel. We've been friends for actually 11 years, so since middle school. She was my maid of honor, and she's been with me through everything. We even have synchronized periods. So today I did this look that you see right here. She requested a wing and lashes, so I gave her the full glam, something that I would do, but more because her face can handle it.
And I'm very white.
Yes.
Skin-wise, not heritage-wise.
Not in the inside. She's Puerto Rican, if anyone doesn't know. We can have we'll have the DNA test shortly. Next one. A small thing, Isa is also on the side a freelance painter. She does lots of small custom art such as this one. It's so cute, isn't it? If you are interested in any artwork done by her, I will leave all of her contact information in the description box below. Before we get onto the video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and post occasional bonus videos throughout the week. So if you'd like to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to use the Sephora brand concealer to prime her eyes and then blend that out using a Real Techniques beauty sponge. And then after it's all blended out, I'm going to set her eyes using the Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Setting Powder. For the eyes, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette and starting off by using those cool toned browns as her transition shade with a fluffy brush. Then with a more dense brush, I'm taking that pukey brown shade and using that to darken up her outer V. The beginning stages of a smoky eye always look kind of messy, but I promise you with some more blending that this is gonna get good. And with the crease brush, I'm taking that dark brown and applying it to the socket of her eyes and then diffusing it as it goes higher. Without adding any more product, I'm taking the brush we use for our transition shades and I'm just blending all the colors together so there are no harsh lines and it looks really seamless. For her lid, I'm using the Maybelline Eyestudio 24-Hour Color Tattoo. This is in the pink shade and I'm applying this with a flat shader brush. I'm applying this only to her inner and middle lid and leaving the outside of her eyes alone so that it fades into our neutral colors. I'm applying the Sahi Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Dubai on top of the pink, and this just turned it into this amazing, beautiful rose gold. I fell in love. Without adding any more product, I'm just blending the colors even further so it looks like a smooth transition. For winged liner, I'm using the Maybelline Eyestudio Gel Liner in the shade Black is Black. I'm sorry, I made her face me so that I could get the angle just right. So you can't really see what I'm doing, but I did want to do a dramatic wing on her since she has nice, big eyes, which I'm super jealous of. So I don't think I could pull this look, but people with her eye shape can definitely pull this off without looking drag-ish. Next, I'm going to fill in her brows really lightly because look at them, they're already so amazingly full. For brows, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptations Brow Definer in the shade Medium Brown and diffusing it with a spoolie. Now I'm going in with some micellar water to clean up the fallout and also sharpen the edges of her eyeshadow to make it look more cat-like. For primer, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer and then using a mix of the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Sephora Foundation to get her perfect shade. I'm using a round kabuki brush, but after everything is blended, I do go in with a beauty sponge to really push it into her pores and make it look more airbrushed. For concealer, I'm mixing the Maybelline Age Rewind and also the Sephora concealer to get her perfect shade. I'm applying this to under her eyes, the bridge of her nose, a little bit on her forehead and her chin, and then blending it out with the same sponge. Using the same damp sponge, I am using the Coty Airspun and setting her entire face with this powder. She is very oily like me, so this is what we do to get makeup to last all day. While that bakes, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer to contour her face. I'm applying this under her cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. I use the same bronzer to contour her nose. I know it looks scary, but wait till the end because I do soften it up. For blush, I'm using the Steve Laurent in the shade Rosé All Day, and I'm applying that to the apples of her cheeks and dragging that back towards her temples, pretty much right above where we applied the contour. Next, I'm sharpening up her cheekbones with the same setting powder, and while that sits, I'm just adding some banana powder by BH Cosmetics to her under eyes to brighten it up just a little bit more. Using the City Color City Chic eyeshadow in the shade Skinny Latte, I'm using that to highlight her inner corner and her brow bone, and also using a pencil brush to highlight her nose as well. Next, I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Bronze Goddess and applying that to the tops of her cheekbones. With a flat edge brush, I'm taking those transition shades that we used earlier for her eyes and tightlining it to her lower lash line. Next, we're going to set the brows. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in the shade Deep Brown. And I'm going to run this across her entire brow. With no product, I'm just taking this brush to soften up her nose contour a little bit because the lines were a little too harsh. I made her apply her own mascara because I didn't want to stab her, but honestly, I didn't even need to apply falsies because look at those lashes, girl. Look at them. They're so pretty. It's not even fair. I still did apply falsies. I used the Eyelure number 155 lashes. See, these are so dramatic on me, but for her, it just made her eyes look fuller. They were almost the same length as her eyelashes. This step wasn't even necessary for her. See what I mean? For lips, I'm going in with the Maybelline Color Sensational in the shade Toasted Truffle. This was the hardest part, no lie. I didn't think it would be so difficult to apply lipstick, but it was. But we got there, we got there. Without adding any more product, I'm just smoking out her lash line a little more. And to set her face, I'm using both the MAC Fix Plus as well as the Slay All Day. We are here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I'm here dripping in finesse. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment and like below if you want to see Issa come back to my channel. Bye! She is my best friend.
Did you really laugh?
3 stacks on that CD.
You have to keep a low fit, you shithead.
Hi.